Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a Firebase project with Firestore and cloud storage enabled and a service account or user auth ready. Once you have that, open your codebase and install the Firebase SDK for your platform. For node use npm I Firebase. Next, initialize the Firebase app with your config or credentials and initialize both Firestore and storage clients. Make sure to set basic security rules allowing authenticated access while you develop. Finally, create the storage reference path you will use for uploads and metadata linking. Start uploads using a resumable approach so you can retry and report progress. In Web SDK, call put or put string. In Node, use upload or create write stream with proper content type metadata. Once upload completes, retrieve the file's download URL or storage path and atomically write that reference into a Firestore document using a transaction or batched write. This keeps storage and metadata consistent. Also record size, content type, and custom tags in the document. While uploading, emit progress events to update UI and support cancellation. After verification, enforce production security rules restricting read/write to authorized users and validate rules with the Firebase emulator or unit tests. Implement a scheduled job to delete orphan storage objects when Firestore documents are removed and set appropriate cache control and content disposition metadata for downloads. Monitor usage and set alerts for billing spikes. Finally, test end-to-end download and upload flows on devices. Troubleshooting tip. If uploads or downloads fail with permission errors, check rule logic, ensure the auth token matches expected claims, and verify storage paths used by your app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.